Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a credit card to the Klarna app so you can easily make payments and manage your purchases. First, open the Klarna app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. Go to the payment methods section, tap the plus icon and then choose other card. You'll see have two options. Scan your credit card using your phone's camera or enter your card details manually, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Once you've entered your information, tap Save. Your credit card will now be added to Klarna and ready to use for future purchases. And that's it. That's how to add a credit card to the Klarna app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.